and welcome back to Nadira's kitchen. I know it's been a while, but I've had a lot going on lately. However, I'm back at it again, and today we're going to be making a healthy Maggi masala noodles recipe. So these are all the ingredients you'll need. So you'll need 1 medium onion, 1 pepper, 1 tomato, 1 chili, a bowl of mixed vegetables. You've got peas, carrots, broccolis and any other vegetables you'd want to add. We've also got some salt and some oil. So here I'm using the extra virgin olive oil as it's more healthier, but you can use any other oil you want. We also need 2 packets of Maggi noodles. We got some fresh coriander to top it off with. Then we've got all the spices. So these are all the ingredients you'll need, and I'll link them in the description below. So first we're going to start off by letting the onions and the green chilli simmer for a bit in a pan of oil, and then after that we're going to add in our bowl of vegetables and the peppers. Then once the onions have slightly changed colours, we're going to add in the bowl of mixed vegetables and the peppers and let that cook on medium heat. After that, we're just going to add in 1 medium-sized chopped tomato into the masala and let that cook away with the vegetables and peppers. Now we're going to add in the spices, so I'll leave a list on the side of what spices to add in and how much. So it's about 1/4 of each spice and then a bit more of the chili powder, and then we're going to give it a good mix until it's all nice and combined together. Once you've added in the spices, we're going to add in both the packets of the Maggi masala powders, since we're using 2 packets of noodles. So just add them both in and then give it a good mix. After that, we're going to add in 2 cups of water, which is about 500 ml. It should look a bit like this, but don't worry, once we put in the noodles it will soak the water up anyway. So now we're going to add in the noodles. So you can break it up like this, it makes it a lot easier, or you can add the whole thing in, but we're just going to add the noodles, put the lid on and let it come to boil. So once it has come to boil, you can take the lid off and top it off with some fresh coriander, and it should look a bit like this. The healthy Maggi noodle recipe. So this is what it should look like. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and also comment down below what other videos you'd like to see me do. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!